So my son got his hands on his friend's handcuffs and he lost the key and I have to go to soccer and I have things to do and I don't know what I'm supposed to do because he's stuck in handcuffs. So I might have to take him to the police station. I don't know. They're gonna probably question me why my son is in handcuffs. I do not abuse my kids.
Take off his jeans and maybe it could slide off his feet.
Nope, those are not coming off. We're gonna take you to the police, Avik, right now.
No!
Is it?
As a 5.
Look at the model now.
First step is you grind off this pin, one of the caps. And then you stick a screwdriver in here and you separate it and it falls apart. We'll show you.
I got one.